Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Roam Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me. Whether you need to move 100 miles away or more than 2,000 miles, we're here to help. Our long-distance moving team will help you move all your things safely and efficiently. Along with basic moving services, we offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a Georgia moving company might seem too expensive for you. However, as you look at the benefits, it can make more sense to spend the money on local movers. We will help save you plenty of time, and we do all the heavy lifting for you. It's easier to focus on other elements of your move when you hire a local moving company. 3 Movers will help streamline the entire moving process. Moving day becomes much easier and you get settled in faster with us. Our team can handle your move, no matter the size, in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Roam moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.